In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix PS5 cannot log in PSN account. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go to www.status.playstation.com and make sure that all the servers are up and running. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and head into the settings, head into network, and then connection status to check if you are connected on the internet. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go to settings, network settings, set up internet connection, or even connect to internet and test internet connection. Once you've done that and it still doesn't work, then you might need to simply go ahead and restart your PS5. Check your date and time, because sometimes not being accurate date and time will also go ahead and cause this problem. You might also have a potential system software update that you might need to go ahead and do. If that is not the case, simply go ahead and turn off your PS5, hold the power button until you hear the second beep, and select the fifth option, which is going to be clearing cache and rebuilding database. Finally, if that doesn't work, simply try signing out and signing back in, and it should go ahead and work. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.